In this course, we're going to be talking through graph analysis with Java. To introduce myself, my name is Eric Koslow. I used to be the principal product manager for JDK 8 within Oracle, with a focus on software security, program analysis, and consulting. I generally focus on why code should be written rather than how to specifically implement functions. And now we're going to talk about this course overview. We're going to split this course into two sections. The first is graph analysis basics. What we're going to do is we're going to identify problems, the types of things that you can solve using graph analysis, and cover the basic terminology and explain how graphs work, what you look for, and what you can accomplish by using them. Then in section 2, we're going to walk through a real-world graph analysis example of using your email to go in and create a graph structure of communications that we can analyze. The prerequisites of this are a knowledge of Java programming, the basic syntax, how to compile programs, how to execute programs, because part of what we'll do is to access the Facebook social graph APIs. You're going to want access to your own social media or Facebook account, as well as access to your own email account. In this case, you can use Gmail or any other provider. And you're also going to want a minor understanding of NoSQL, which is probably a little less important because we're going to be focusing on the graph analysis syntax as well. And what you'll get after taking this course is the ability to identify graph analysis problems, figure out where to apply the knowledge, some knowledge of those graph formats and frameworks, and the ability to apply the knowledge that you've learned in order to solve those graph analysis problems and create new useful insights.